Hey lovelies, my name is Sweets and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you've decided to stop by. Here at my channel, we dive deep into tutorials that will help you create digital products for either yourself or to be able to sell to others. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned expert, there's something for everyone. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the fun. And if you like what you see, don't hesitate to share with your family or friends. I'm always open to feedback and suggestions, so feel free to drop a comment or reach out, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thank you for being here, and let's jump right in. Hi everyone. So for this project, we're making a baby shower invitation for the October month. So I wanted to do a sweet pumpkin is on the way. So what I'm doing now is I am trying to figure out how I want to design it. I have the basic information listed, but now is the time where I really want to design it, make it come to life. So I'm trying to see how I want everything. So for this, I added a grid, which is a photo frame kind of thing. So you can just drop a picture or an image into the photo grid, and it'll make it up here. So that's what I'm doing right now. Here I was just looking for different elements that I wanted to put on my invitation and still trying to design it and figure out which way I wanted to have everything listed on the invitation itself. So I'm just going through, taking stuff off, adding stuff on. The creative process is, it's all over the place sometimes. So I don't really know what I want to create until I am kind of in the mix of it. And so basically, I am just trying to figure out how I want my invitation to look. And then when I see it kind of coming together, then I can add the background for the text for the invitation, and make sure that the text kind of pops out. This is going to be a template link for Canva. So the customer will be able to update it however they like. This is just basically giving them a layout, and they can update their information, and change the font if they want to, and so forth. So I'm just kind of making it very festive. I chose the pumpkin cupcake because we have a sweet pumpkin is on the way. So I thought of a pumpkin cupcake, and so I'm just rearranging it. And this is basically what I do. I just arrange it till I come up with an end result. And then we have a pretty invitation at the end. And then the customer will be able to click on the template link. And so when you create a editable invitation or anything, you want to be able to copy the template link, which you would get if you clicked on share, and then you go and you click on more, and then you can find the template link, and you click on that. And by giving them the template link, they will be able to open up a brand new copy of your invitation on their own Canva. So they won't be editing your original. They would get a copy of their own, and then they could go in and edit it and save as a PNG or a JPEG, however, and then they can print it out or have a printer print it out, or a local print shop. And so when you're sharing the template link, you would want to create a PDF document so that you can list your template link on the PDF, like a thank you page. And I will be showing that in a different video. So make sure to follow, like, and share. Thank you. Thank you for watching, lovelies. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.